with Ashley, and I got a text in at 977977. It said, "There's so many birds out today. Please rock some bird-related songs, because I saw a greater white-fronted goose today." It's going out to the bird bros. Now listen, I don't have any bird-related songs, but I got one for you that's pretty fly. It's Offspring on Htz-FM.
Nice.
Banker shop.
That's funny. That's funny. And here's the greater white-fronted geese.
A beautiful goose. Found these in Stony Creek.
These geese here have a bright orange bill and are about the size of a Canadian goose.
Some people hunt these fellers.
Some people call them the speckle bellies because of the speckles on their belly. Greater white-fronted goose is about 28 inches long. They have a 53-inch wingspan.
And there's a greater and a lesser white-fronted goose found in North America. And the main difference is the graders are larger.
Not bad for a couple bros on a Saturday morning.
Joy.
Now we're headed off to LaSalle Park. Oh, now we're at LaSalle watching the ducks.
These mallards have their wireless headphones in, listening to some beats. Chicka wow wow. Hey, that mallard doesn't look the same as all the other mallards.
He's kind of like a freak. I think that's a mallard wood duck hybrid. It's about the size of a wood duck.
Definitely a juvenile though, as it doesn't have the cool hairdo quite yet.
Oh, and there's some coots.
American coots.
And some mergansers as always.
Red-breasted mergansers.
Oh, but what's here in the forest?
Oh, that's a golden crowned kinglet.
Kinglets hang out in groups of like 3 to 8.
But as far as we could tell, this guy was a lone wolf.
They like to glean tiny insects from the branches of trees. Gleaning is a term that means you come along and you just kind of like scavenge what's left behind. You learn stuff, guys. What's there behind the Canada goose?
Oh, that's a snow goose. A very early migrant. Boy, howdy!
These guys have a few key wintering areas and then migrate all the way back up north. Yeah, this one here is in winter plumage, has the darker feathers. You can see his plumage is thick and helps it keep warm and cool.
And can be found in flocks of tens of thousands of birds.
What do you call an alt-right goose? A propagander! Their wingspan is 53 inches too, just like the greater white-fronted goose. What's the odds of that?
Note the black edges on their wings there. Get that stretch, buddy. It was a long flight.
Oh! This guy here, he's just getting a bit tired. I think we're gonna let him take a nap.
Sleep tight.
Good night, Mr. Snow Goose.
Good night, John. Good night, Bird Bros. I love you.
Oh, look at all those geese in the sky. We got our eyes on the bottom right-hand corner. What's that there on that tractor wheel?
We got a snowy owl sitting on the tractor wheel, coming in at around 5 to 6 pounds.
We always see all the sweetest birds. We never miss one. This snowy owl here we just saw on our way back to Georgetown. That's all we got for you guys today. Thanks for watching this episode.
And thanks to 97.7 Htz-FM for giving us a shout out there.
Yeah, our friends in the Hormones, they're a band. We did a collaboration with them, and you can see the video in a link below. They're currently in their rock search.
Yeah.
So, if you want to help them out,
text 97.7, 97.7, text the word hormones.
Yeah, do it.
Oh, our car decals came in.
Gotta rep the Bird Bros, and if you guys want to rep the Bird Bros too, just give us a comment. We can hook you up with some of these sweet stickers. We also have some other swag.
T-shirts, sweaters, hats, hoodies,
Underwear, swag. This is Sean Best,
and this is John Adams.
and this has been the Bird Bros Goose episode. Good night. Subscribe, like, and share, and stay fly.
Perfect.
Stay tuned for more Bird Bros, where we will see barnacle geese and cackling geese. I heard Bruce Willis found a new species of geese. They called it Goose Willis.